Hello out there, Internet. My name is Tim with Subwoofer.tools, and I have to thank you for showing me how to take my car apart so I can get the things like firewall grommets and I can run cables underneath carpet without showing them, so I can do a proper installation in my car. Well, I do have to give back to the community now by doing a little bit of an explanation. If you see this is what we call a gray beard, and that is usually a symbol of the voice of experience. So don't take it harshly when I tell you about the difference between a couple of tools. We're going to start off with a tool that I know hundreds of you are familiar with because I've seen you use it in your videos. This is a flathead screwdriver. You use this device to turn screws, and you would then engage the threads in a nut or in a threaded piece of a panel so that you can affix something else to that panel, such as a lug or maybe a cosmetic beauty panel. This device is also made out of fairly hard steel. Okay, now I'm going to show you a different tool, and this tool is a panel wedge. This panel wedge is designed to get in between two panels, plastic panels, and help pop the clips. It's got a wedge design so that when you slide it between two panels, it separates them slowly as you insert the panel deeper into, as you insert the tool deeper in between two panels. Now, I would not use this tool to drive screws, even though it's got flat pieces right here, and I could probably drive a couple of screws with it up to a certain point before this starts to deform. And at the same time, maybe I should not use this to pull panels. This is made out of incredibly hard steel. If I really pushed hard on this, I could cut myself. You understand? Maybe some of you are still a little bit skeptical. So I have brought with me a piece of the interior of my Ford Focus. This panel right here sits right when you open the door. You see this. This is what greets you when you walk in to a Ford Focus on the passenger side of the car. This is the side of the glove box, basically. This device is made out of plastic, and it has a number of clips on the back. We need to separate the clips and then disengage these hooks to get it removed. I do want to point something out though. I've seen dozens of you, and I know there's more, using this tool to pop this apart. Don't do that, because this can scratch this. I'll even show you me doing it. Right there. It's on the inside, so I'm not worried about it. But I'm going to show you something else. This little wedge tool right here doesn't scratch. I'm even going to go a little crazy. And I'm going to show you on the outward facing side of the panel how much this doesn't scratch. See that? Still looks brand new, but it's still strong enough to get in underneath the panel and start wedging it apart to disengage these clips. Now, this is not the only panel tool I have. Let me show you. I bought an entire set of these on Amazon so I can do a proper disassembly and reassembly of my car. Now, you will notice that there are some metal pieces in here, like these little rings that are useful for removing aftermarket stereos from their cages in an older car. And then you've got these little metal clip things here, but these are very specialized tools. You wouldn't use these to pop clips apart. These are when the clip remains in a metal piece of the car. You'll use this to disengage that from the rest of the car. And then, of course, you have this piece right here. It's you know, scary looking. You'll use that piece to get some of those more ornery clips out of the way. I've only had to use that one once. But the rest of these tools are made out of the same soft plastic, and they're not going to damage the plastic panels in your car and give that telltale sign of an amateur did this. It's a little professional look for not a lot of money. Now, if you're interested in getting something like this so that you're not messing up your car, I've got a link down in the description below that will take you someplace where you can get one. It is an affiliate link, and I will receive a commission if you click through it and make a purchase, and I do appreciate that. It goes into helping to maintain the hosting costs of Subwoofer.tools. All right. I hope that this was educational, informative. Have a great day.